Hey, you know, a common problem is once you've decided to replace your desktop with your notebook computer, every time you sit down at your desk, it can be kind of a pain to plug in 2 or 3 USB cables, plug in your monitor, maybe plug in a mouse dongle and your Ethernet. It's just not convenient. This from Toshiba, the Toshiba Dynadock U, and this is the wireless Dynadock, is going to simplify all of that. Imagine sitting down at your desk and just plugging in one wireless dongle, and that wireless dongle is going to allow you to have multiple USB ports, video, digital audio, all wirelessly transmitted across your desktop, and that's exactly what this does. Now, once you plug in your wireless dongle, you're going to have access wirelessly to this headphone port and microphone port, plus a couple of USB ports right there in the front of the device. Now, on the top of the device, you're going to find the one-touch connection button, and that's going to allow you to quickly connect your wireless dongle to the Dynadock. Now, around the back, check out all this connectivity that you get wirelessly. First of all, you have a cable that you can run to your PC, so you don't have to use this in wireless mode. You can use a hardwired USB cable. You also have a DVI port, and this is going to support up to 1680 by 1050 resolution, and does also include an adapter so that you can plug in a standard VGA cable. Above that, you've got 4 more USB ports. You've got an Ethernet port, so you have instant access to Ethernet, and right up here, you also have digital audio out, located right there for 7.1 digital surround sound. That's a whole lot of convenience in this very, very cool package from Toshiba. It's going to make using a single PC as your main PC, a single notebook as your main PC, extraordinarily simple. Just plug in one device and you're off, instead of plugging in 5 or 6 different cables every time you sit down at your computer. Brand new stuff from Toshiba is the Dynadock U Wireless. To get more information on the Toshiba Dynadock Wireless U docking station, go to tigerdirect.com and search for T78-1003.